Hello, welcome to my channel. I'd like to show you today how to replace hard drive and also how to delete recording from the hard drive, how to delete the data. To replace hard drive, so that's the connection we have from DVR. So we need to take out old one and put back new one here. So just only these two connection, and from the DVR also, so like this, and then we need to put this one here, and just on here we need match the holes and just screw in here the hard drive, and then we can put the cover on. To delete information data from hard drive, so on the DVR we need to go to main menu, on settings, and we need to find disk management or hard disk storage. So we click this and we find a hard drive. So we click the hard drive, and on the right side there is format. So we press format. They give warning. So when we press here, this action will clear all the data. So we need to go ahead. We need to press OK. Then we need to put DVR username and password. So username is admin. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And we need format now. And some DVR needs to restart, but this DVR is automatically delete all the information in the hard drive. So now is back to normal scratch. So there's not any data in the hard drive. Thanks for watching.